In this video, I'll talk about solution stoichiometry. Subscribe the channel, ring the notification bell, watch the video until the end. Solution stoichiometry is the study of quantitative relationships in a substance and the relations in a solution, or deal with numerical relationships between reactants or between reactant and product and the relations in a solution. Mole calculation, for example, what's the concentration of sodium hydroxide required to react completely with equal volume of 0.104 sulfuric acid? Now let us consider the given quantity. Volume of sodium hydroxide is equal to volume of sulfuric acid. Another given quantity here is that molarity of sulfuric acid is given, which is equal to 0.104 molarity. The required quantity here is that molarity of sodium hydroxide is equal to how much? Solution. Molarity of sodium hydroxide is equal to mole of sodium hydroxide over volume of sodium hydroxide. But we don't know the value of volume of sodium hydroxide. Again, we don't know the value of mole of sodium hydroxide. Therefore, we cannot calculate molarity of sodium hydroxide. So we need to calculate first mole of sodium hydroxide as well as volume of solution in liter. Now to do so, let us write the balanced chemical equation. Sodium hydroxide react with sulfuric acid to form sodium sulfate plus water. Let us balance it. 2 mole of sodium hydroxide and 2 mole of water. Now it is balanced chemical equation. From balanced chemical equation, we know that 2 mole of sodium hydroxide react with 1 mole of sulfuric acid. Now let us define mole of sodium hydroxide. Mole of sodium hydroxide is equal to molarity of sodium hydroxide into volume of sodium hydroxide. Again, mole of sulfuric acid is equal to molarity of sulfuric acid into volume of sulfuric acid. Now let us take the ratio of moles of sodium hydroxide to sulfuric acid. 2 mole upon 1 mole. 2 mole of sodium hydroxide over 1 mole of sulfuric acid, which is equal to mole of sodium hydroxide upon mole of sulfuric acid. Now we define mole of sodium hydroxide, which is equal to molarity of sodium hydroxide into volume of sodium hydroxide over molarity of sulfuric acid into volume of sulfuric acid. Now these two quantities are equal. Volume of sodium hydroxide is equal to volume of sulfuric acid, therefore they cancel each other. Finally, we have molarity of sodium hydroxide upon molarity of sulfuric acid. Look, 2 over 1 is equal to molarity of sodium hydroxide over molarity of sulfuric acids. We know the value of molarity of sulfuric acids, but we don't know the value of molarity of sodium hydroxide. Therefore, to calculate molarity of sodium hydroxide, now let us cross it. Each molarity of sodium hydroxide is equal to 2 into molarity of sulfuric acids. We know the value of molarity of sulfuric acid, therefore, which is equal to 0.014. Molarity of sodium hydroxide is equal to 2 times 0.104 molarity, which is equal to 0.24